I will show you how to take control of your e-commerce business and enjoy the journey without burning out. Ready? Let's dive in. Running an e-commerce business is like juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle. But it doesn't have to be that way. Here are 3 game-changing tips to help you manage growth and keep burnout at bay. First, create systems for everything. Inventory, customer service, marketing, you name it. When you have a blueprint, you save time and energy. Second, automation tools are your best friends. They handle the repetitive tasks, so you can focus on the big picture. Think of it as your personal e-commerce autopilot. Third, you don't have to do it all yourself. Build a team you trust and delegate tasks. Free up your time to strategize and grow your business. Remember, sustainable growth is all about balance. Avoiding burnout means taking care of yourself and your business simultaneously. If you're facing challenges, let's chat. I'd love to share insights from my clients who've successfully scaled without burning out. Click the link and let's hop on a quick call. Stay awesome, founders. You've got this.